you'll notice that my feet are hips width distance or shoulder width distance. So the heels are directly under, the shoulders are slightly outside of that, while keeping the knees out, engaging the abductors of the hips. All right, at the bottom of the deadlift, the first goal that you have is to really flex your lats hard. So it looks like this. I'm going to really retract my shoulder blades and push my shoulders away from my ears to engage my lats. So my shoulders are forward here and flexed here. So this is the first part of the deadlift. Now the second stage of the deadlift is intra-abdominal pressure. So as I have my lats engaged, which again, shoulders down and back, really tightly flexing the lats, you should feel the bottom of your shoulder blades really flexed hard, okay? In this point, I'm gonna suck in my gut, literally just suck it in, and this creates this tight, large amount of intra-abdominal pressure. So you're gonna wanna keep your lats engaged, chest poked out, while keeping your stomach sucked in as hard as you can to actually do the movement. But also, to take yourself to the intermediate to pro level, you want to try to keep that pressure the entire time. That's why you'll see a lot of pros at the bottom actually fully pause instead of just tapping the ground and coming back up. Because what they're doing is they're essentially re-engaging the lats and re-tightening or creating that intra-abdominal pressure before they push away from the earth. So here we go. Lats flexed, abs sucked in, and push away from the earth. Then I drive my glutes forward, not my hips forward, as to not ruin your spine. Intra-abdominal pressure, lats flexed, push away from the earth. Push away. Push away. That should really help when it comes to the deadlift. Be careful, start light, and then go up heavy relative to the time under tension that's been given you. Peace. All right, let's get it. Shoulders down and back tight. Really engage those lats hard. Keep your stomach sucked in. Good. 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 Shoulders back tighter. Really engage those lats. Keep that stomach sucked in. Nice.